Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you one of the most common Eastern European breakfasts, savory French toast. Super easy, super quick, super tasty. Here's what you'll need. You can find the exact ingredient list in the description. Yes, that tiny egg yolk is so funny. Pour enough oil into the pan to cover the bread slices later. Add some salt to the eggs and whisk them. You'll know it's ready when it's creamy and smooth. Drop a tiny bit of egg into the oil to check if it's hot enough. Here you can see the egg sizzling, so the oil is ready. Dip the bread slices into the egg, coating both sides. Let the excess drip off, then place them into the oil. It turns out best if the bread isn't fresh, but 1 to 2 days old. Stale bread works great too. Check out my homemade bread videos, and soon I'll bring you an even better version. Once the bottom is golden brown, flip it over and fry the other side. When it's done, take the slices out and start dipping the next ones. If you're using farm fresh eggs, the toast might not turn as golden brown, but stay lighter. Keep an eye on it to avoid burning. It's delicious on its own, but you can eat it with ketchup, cheese, or ham. But the best way to enjoy it? If you drink hot black tea with sugar and lemon with it. Bon appétit! If you love French toast, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. I have many more delicious and easy recipes coming your way.